stylish and gorgeous kitchens to admire. A dream kitchen is on every homeowner's list. Whether starting from scratch or exploring design ideas for a new kitchen, you want to create an ideal space. Griddle Cooking Station. This is a Blackstone Griddle cooking station. You can turn your kitchen into a real diner. This is ideal for large families. Modern gas stove. The Smeg gas cooktop has LED lights and customizable burner rings with whimsical shapes. Cooking space. Even gas cooktops can be part of a hidden kitchen when a sliding cover is included. This is by Ernst Amida. Aran has this unit where lovely wood cabinetry hides many of the appliances and has unique vertical hardware. Open layout. Every detail counts in your home. Areas that can be used to serve guests, versatile workspace, and well-arranged tools, and cooking elements. Large or small, a well-designed functional cooking space makes preparing meals a breeze. Thank you for watching. JF Property Group are offering you a residential lots, agricultural lot for sale and an apartment for rent. Search www.jfpropertygroup.info. Contact us for more information. Our social media platform. We offer services to market your business. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for a more interesting video.